Our materials include instructions and drawings, silk thread and a 28-quart embroidery cloth. A pack of beads. This is the embroidery bead thread and needle. Let's take a look at the step-by-step instructions and printed pattern. This is the material list section. The symbols are beads. And here's the thread list. You can use this material list to find the corresponding beads and threads. This above corresponds to the small a on the list. Z corresponds to Z. This is bead thread and embroidery needle. We should read the instructions first. Warm reminder of some small details. I make mainly uses this high CD cloth. The refinement will be higher. The cloth of high CT is 2 holes in 1 grid. The second is about the issue of threading. I make has many kinds of thread. We use real silk thread. These are the product catalog pictures. Open I makes toolbox. There is an air clearing pen for embroidery. Draw the center first. It's easy to see and draw this grid. I'll show you a large CD cloth. When drawing grids, draw on this hole. This is correct. Avoid drawing on the warp and weft lines. I'll use the drawing to correspond. This line represents the line on the drawing. So when looking at the drawing, look at the intersection of lines. This part is the position of the hole, not on the latitude and longitude lines. Beginners can also draw with a ruler. We use larger fabric for demonstration. 1 pattern square equals 1 fabric square. This design is for 28 count fabric. 1 pattern square equals 2 fabric squares. We are counting 10 squares here. Please remember, on your fabric, you need to count 20 squares. Mark it with a positioning pin. It's enough to draw 4 horizontal and vertical lines. After drawing the lines, wrap the 4 sides with masking tape. Prevent deformation. After we completely stick it, the iMake toolkit will have a very cute pink stretcher. The one with characters is the front. Unscrew it. There is a screw cap inside. Screw it to the close position of the screw cap. Take out the small frame inside. Place the embroidered cloth with the drawn lines in the center of the frame. Then press the outer frame on. Adjust the embroidery cloth while screwing the screws. And start tightening when you think it's almost done. You must tighten the canvas before sewing. After stretching, you can start sewing and embroidering according to the drawing.